Okay, we have a Hardinge Super Precision Tool Room Engine Lathe, model HLV-EM, serial number HLVH 15174T. Machine was new in 1997. We're going to run her for you. Machine has inch and metric threading capability. We're running right now, believe it or not, it's that quiet. Up to 3,000 R.P.M spindle. We're in the low range, high range. Again, it's variable within both ranges. Cross feed, which is variable with the, there you go. And reverse. You have an Aloris AXA tool post. Also you have accurate, digital readout for the X and the Z. Forward and reverse of the feed. Okay. We're going to threading, we're going to engage the lead screw. The thread box is turning. And we're threading. And we're going to reversing the thread. Okay. You have the cam, there you go. Perfect. Tailstock, which is a number 2 Morse taper. Inch metric dial on the tailstock, inch metric dial on the compound. The inside, we have collets. There's an Albright drill chuck also in the tailstock, and we have some Aloris AXA tool post holders and a 3 and 4 drawer chuck. The 4 drawer chuck is $1, and that's the extra gear change thread for the gears. Hey, thank you for watching our video.